Welcome to all the students present over here. Today, I'm going to discuss the two very important things in front of you, that is factors and multiples. As we know that maximum of the students are facing the problem regarding the factors and multiple. They usually get confused in between these two words, which is applied in the mathematics. As such, it is only for the junior classes. So let me explain you the meaning of the factor and the multiple, and even we are going to find out what is the main difference between a factor and a multiple, and we will also go through some very good examples. First of all, let me define you what's the meaning of a factor. A factor is a one of the two or more numbers that divide a given number without a remainder. So what you have to remember is that a factor is one of the two or more numbers that divides a given number which does not leaves a remainder. That is the meaning so called as the factors. So this is the right definition of the factor. You can see I have highlighted this definition for you. Divides a given number without a remainder. That means it never leaves a remainder when it is divided. Now I will discuss the definition of multiples. Now what is a multiple? A multiple is a number that can be divided by another number a certain number of times without having a remainder. So we can divide it in several times. We can keep on dividing the numbers, then we get the multiples. As I can understand, with the help of a definition, it will be a very difficult thing to understand. So I am taking few examples by which you will understand it more easily. So here I am giving first example to you, example number 1. Let me take a one number. Let me take a number as 4. Now what we have to do is that we have to find out in how many numbers does the 4 comes. So let us start. 4 comes in the table of 1. 4 even comes in the table of 2. 4 even comes in the table of 4. So I will say that finally that the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So here we have the number of factors. Here how many factors does we have? We have total 3 factors of the number 4. Now let us talk about the same example for the multiples. If we talk about the multiples, my dear students, the multiples of 4 will just look like the table of 4. So you can write it in this way, like 4 1 za 4, 4 2 za 8, 4 3 za 12, and it is going for ever and ever. By this a simple example might you be not clear. Let us take one more example. So I am bringing one more example in front of you, example number 2. Now let us take a bigger number than this one. Let me take the another number as 1 0 10. Let me take the 2-digit number. Now we have to find out in how many numbers does this 10 comes. So in the table of 1, the number 10 comes. In the table of 2, the number 10 comes. In the table of 5, the number 10 comes. And even in the table of 10, 10 ones are 10. So here we have finally found there 4 factors of 10. That is 1, 2, 5 and 10. So we will find out the total number of factors that we have just obtained as 4 factors you have seen. Similarly, let's move towards the next thing that is called the multiples of 10. So for the multiples of 10, it becomes more easier than the factors. It looks like 10, 1, za, 10, 10, 2, za, 20, 10, 3, za, 30. So you can see, and it will go on and on. So here we have found a big difference between a factor and a multiple. But a most important thing that has to be noted properly, and you should remember it also, in factors we find it that they are finite. They are finite in number. I am talking about factors. But if I'll talk about the multiples, they are infinite in number. That means they are countless, whereas in the factors they can be counted easily, like as we have seen in the example. For 4 we are having total 3 factors of 4. Like in the example of 10 we have seen there are only 4 factors of 10, but for the multiples we are having infinite number, like 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4, 3s are 4, 4s are, and it goes on. So it will be a countless. So hence we have found the difference between the factors and multiples. Hope you all have understood this, and please kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. As you will subscribe to the channel, you will get the notifications. I will make these types of videos for you, just to make your mathematics easy. Remember students, mathematics is not at all a mathematics, it's a mathemagic. Thank you very much.